You have to be solid on regression analysis in Desmos. Let's take a look. The function f is defined by the given equation. The equation can be rewritten as, we're given a different equation where p is a constant. Which of the following is closest to the value of p? When you see a question like this, it involves two equations equivalent to one another. Your first thought ought to be to jump over to Desmos. That's going to be the quickest way to do this. Now in Desmos, since f of x equals two different forms of the function, we can just put those forms equal to each other. Now you notice a couple of things. Instead of using x, I used x sub 1, and you get that just by typing an x and not doing anything else, and then typing the number 1, and Desmos knows to put that in the subscript. The other thing you'll notice is instead of an equal sign, I used the tilde, which is what we use to do regression analysis in Desmos. Now the next thing I need to do is set x1, because right now you can see in the regression parameter it's set equal to 0, and I need it set equal to some range of numbers. And I'm just going to pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can see for the numbers in our 5-element list there that the p-value is 16.467, which aligns with one of our answers. And so from Desmos, we can see letter A is the correct solution. Now, if you wanted to do this algebraically, it's also not terribly difficult. Again, I would recommend just setting an arbitrary x value of 1 because it simply makes the math easy. We can take then the top equation and set it equal to the function. And that right-hand side is just going to be raised to a value of 1 because we set x equal to 1. Well, 1.84 to the 1/4, that equals 1.16. We're just raising this to a power of 1. The right-hand side doesn't change. We're going to subtract 1 from both sides. And then we'll multiply both sides by 100. And we get p is equal to 16. So even the algebraic approach is pretty quick here. All right, keep practicing. I'll see you in the next one.